Today we're drawing Watermelon Shark. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with the big body shape. Draw a long smooth curve from the front, sweep it up over the back, and bring it down gently toward the tail area. Now go back to the front and continue with the lower body. Pull a wide rounded curve under the belly and stretch it back until it nearly meets the line behind it. Now let's add the big side fin. From the belly, pull one smooth line down, round off the tip, and sweep it back up to make a soft, leaf-like fin shape. Now continue from the fin and pull a smooth line back toward the tail area. Now let's draw the tail. Start from the small open point at the back. Lift the line up into the top tail fin, round the tip, and curve it back in to make the center notch. From there, continue into the lower tail fin, curve it out, round the end, and bring the line back toward the body to finish the tail shape. Now let's add the small fins near the tail. Start with the top fin first. Next, draw the lower fin underneath. Now let's add the big dorsal fin on top. Start from the back line, curve the fin up nice and tall, round the tip, then bring it back down into the body. Now add the little side fin underneath. Now let's draw the eye. Add a small rounded circle on the head, keeping it nice and bold so it stands out clearly. Inside the eye, draw a tiny little circle near the top for the highlight. Then color in the rest of the eye nice and dark, and leave that tiny highlight white. Now let's give our shark a happy little smile. Start with a smooth, curved line for the top of the mouth and lift it slightly at the corner for a cute grin. Next, draw the lower curve underneath to open up the mouth shape. Keep it rounded and simple. Along the top edge, add a row of tiny triangle teeth. Make them neat and pointy, but still cute and friendly. Now add a soft curve inside the bottom of the mouth for the tongue. That little detail makes the smile look even more fun. Above the fin, draw 3 short curved gill lines. Space them out neatly and let them follow the round shape of the body. Now let's add the first long line across the body. Start near the front of the head, then pull a smooth curve across the middle and stretch it all the way back toward the tail. Keep this top line nice and flowing as it passes above the mouth and continues toward the back. Next, draw the second line underneath. Follow a similar curve below the first one and stretch it back toward the tail area too. These 2 long lines help shape the middle section and make the shark look even more polished. Oh, don't forget the nose. Just add 1 tiny dot near the front of the face. Now let's add the watermelon stripes across the body. Start on the left side and draw a soft, wavy line from the top, letting it flow gently downward. Keep moving from left to right, adding more wavy stripes one by one across the body. Try to keep the stripes neat and slightly different so they look natural and fun. You're doing great. Just keep that same easy rhythm as the body fills up with stripes. A few more wavy lines, and the watermelon look really starts to pop. Now add 2 wavy lines on the tail. Keep them soft and simple so the tail matches the watermelon pattern on the body. Nice and easy. Just 2 lines and the tail is done. Now add the watermelon stripes on the top fin. Draw 3 soft wavy lines following the shape of the fin. Next, move down to the side fin and add 2 more wavy lines. Keep them smooth and simple. Now let's add the little watermelon seeds on the belly. Draw a few small teardrop shapes and spread them out across the lower body. Keep the seeds simple and evenly spaced so the belly looks cute and clean. And that's it. Those tiny seeds really complete the watermelon look. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!